In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Optimizepress to create your sales funnels. A great alternative to ClickFunnels because it'll end up saving you thousands of dollars per year. So to create our sales funnels, we're going to be using Optimizepress for the sales pages, the landing pages, and then we're going to be using the Upsell plugin, which gives us the sales funnel functionality inside of WordPress and integrates directly with Optimizepress. So first, let me show you what the website visitor would see, what a customer would see who lands on your website. So here's a sales page that I imported using Optimizepress. It's one of their templates that they have. I'm going to click Add to Cart. And this takes us to the checkout page for the product, the $47 product. I'm going to quickly fill out the form. We have the payment information. You have the ability to pay with a credit card, which is using Stripe, or you have the ability to pay with PayPal. I'm going to throw in my test card for Stripe. And then inside of the sales funnel, we have the ability to offer an order bump if we want. So I have a quick order bump here, which is for a $7 product, and the customer has the option to say, yes, I want it, or they can leave it unchecked and not purchase the order bump. I'm going to go ahead and check it off, hit submit payment. And now with the upsell plugin, we have the ability to direct them directly to an upsell. So here is another template I quickly imported in Optimizepress, and this is for an upsell where we're offering the customer another product for $100. So they have the option to purchase it for $100, or they can say, no thanks, I don't want to purchase it. So let me just real quickly, we're going to go ahead and hit purchase. And that ends our sales funnel. So the sales funnel I have set up for this demo is real simple. It has a main product, an order bump, an upsell, and a downsell. We're going to take the customer directly to the order summary page, the thank you page. So as you can see here, we have the order summary. They purchased the upsell product for $100, and then they purchased the main product, which was $47, and the order bump, which was $7. So a total of $54, and then a total purchase price of $154. So again, this is a template Optimizepress offers, and I set it up for our thank you page. So now let me show you real quick what happens if we decided to skip that upsell and how the customer would be presented with the downsell. So I'm coming back to our main page, our sales page. I'm going to hit add to cart again. I'm going to fill in the information. Enter in our payment information again. We're presented with the order bump. I'm going to skip this time, so I'll hit submit payment. So here we are, the upsell. So they have the chance to purchase it or skip it. So we're going to skip it this time. We're going to say no thanks. So what this does, instead of taking us to the thank you page, we want to present the customer with a downsell. So again, just a template I quickly imported with Optimizepress. They can purchase the downsell for $37. They have the option to purchase it, yes, or they can skip it. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase it. And this ends our funnel. So as you can see here, they purchased the main product, $47, and then we purchased the downsell for $37 for a total of $84. So with the upsell plugin and Optimizepress, you have the ability to have as many pages as you want for your upsells, downsells, as many pages as you want in your sales funnel flow. I just wanted to show you a quick one with one upsell, and if they passed on that, with one downsell. So now that's what your customer, your website visitor would see when they're going through your sales funnel process. And let me show you the back end, how easily and quickly it is to create the sales funnel using the upsell plugin and Optimizepress. Okay, so here we are inside of the WordPress dashboard. As you can see here, we have Optimizepress 3 installed, and we have the upsell plugin installed. So first, what you would do is you would create your pages inside of Optimizepress. You would click create new page, and it would take you to all your pages. So as you can see here, I have our main sales page created, I have the upsell page, I have the downsell page, I have the checkout, and the order summary page. So the next step that you'd want to do is you'd come over to the upsell plugin and you'd create your products. So as you can see inside of our products already, we have our main offer, our upsell, our downsell, and our order bump. If you wanted to add a new one, you would simply come up here and just click add new. There are some settings that you have to go over in the upsell plugin, like adding the Stripe API keys and adding your PayPal API keys. But if you ever do decide to use upsell plugin, the upsell plugin will explain how to accomplish that. So I'm going to go into the main product, the main offer. And there's only really a couple tabs that we really need to worry about in the beginning. You're going to give it a price. So we gave it $47. Is it a digital product or a physical product? We have it set as digital. What type of payment? Is it single or a subscription? You do have the ability to offer a subscription, and they can be charged on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. And at the same time, you can set a recurring charge limit, which is nice for installment plans, for example. So let's say you can say, hey, charge them monthly, but we only want to charge them 3 times. So the customer would only be charged 1 time per month for 3 months. So it's nice when maybe you have high ticket products that you're selling and you have the ability to offer an installment plan. But for now, we're just going to do a simple single product for $47. And then next, what you would want to do is you come into the URL options. And these are the URLs that we're going to be dealing with. So the purchase URL is the URL that you would embed inside of the button for the person to purchase the product, or the hyperlink, or whatever you're going to be using. The skip purchase is when you get into upsells and downsells. That's the no thank you links, buttons, where they don't want to purchase it, so they skip it. The purchase redirect URL, where should the customer go if they purchase this product? And the skip purchase redirect URL, again, when you're dealing with upsells and downsells, where should the customer go if they decide to skip it? So this is our main offer. So what we want to do is we want to copy this purchase URL. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into our pages. I'm going to go to our main sales page, hit edit with OptimizePress. And what you want to simply do is you want to place that URL wherever they can click to add that product to the cart to move on to the checkout page. So here's our button. Going to click on the button. Going to click on the hyperlink. I'm just going to paste it in right here. That's it. So you would do that everywhere where there's a button or a link or anything where they can move on to purchase the product. Click on it. Paste the link that we copied from the product. You do that everywhere that they can purchase it. And that's it. So now our main product is all set up to move on to the checkout page. So you would save it, go ahead and exit. And now let's go back to our products. Main offer. So now we want to say, hey, where should they go when they purchase the product? What URL should they be redirected to? So we want to redirect them for this sales funnel to our upsell. So I'm going to go into pages. Here's our upsell page. Let me just view it so I can copy the URL. I'm going to take the URL. This is our upsell page, and I'm going to paste it right in here. So we don't have to worry about the skip purchase redirect URL for this one, simply because this is the main product, so they're not going to be able to skip it. They're either going to purchase it or they're going to leave the website and not purchase it. So once you have that in place, the only other thing really you have to worry about, there's more functionality, but really for the overall sales funnel that I showed you, the only other thing you have to worry about is the checkout page. Here's where you have the ability to change all the colors, hide the fields that we were talking about. If you don't want the address, you don't want city, you don't want state, all that stuff. You have the ability to offer a terms of service if they have to check off a terms of service. So really just the checkout page and those URL links, and then the pricing, and is it a single or subscription payment, is really all you need to do to have your product set up. So I'm going to go ahead and hit update that. So I'm going to go back to our products, and now we want to set up our upsell and our downsell. Again, you would add a new one, but I have them set up, so I'm going to go inside of our upsell product. Again, you set it a price. Is it single, digital? Let's go into our URL options. This is the purchase URL. This is a skip purchase URL, which we now need because this is an upsell. And then we need to say, hey, where should they go if they purchase it, or where should they go if they skip it? So let me go into our pages. Let me edit our upsell page. Edit with OptimizePress. I'm going to go back and copy the purchase URL. This is the URL we're going to use if the person clicks on the button, the hyperlink, whatever it is that you have on side of your upsell page, if they're going to go ahead and purchase the product from you. So here we have a button. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Click the hyperlink. I'm going to paste it right here. So again, now we have to worry about the skip purchase URL because we want to, of course, allow them not to purchase the upsell. So let's copy that, and we want to come down to this no thanks text, double click on it, and we're going to link URL and add it right here. So now we have our button for the purchase and our hyperlink text down here for to give them the ability to skip the upsell. So that's all set. You would save that, exit the editor, and now we just want to tell the upsell plugin, hey, where should the customer go if they purchase the upsell, and where should they go if they skip the upsell. So let's go back to our pages. If they purchase it, that's going to be the end of our sales funnel, so we want to send them to our order summary page, our thank you page. You can call it whatever you want. Copy that URL. Let's paste it in here. If they skip it, well, we want to present them with the downsell then. So let's go to our pages, our downsell. Let me view it so I can copy our URL. Let me make sure this is the right page. This is the correct page. So now let me add that to the skip purchase redirect URL. So that's all done. So let's update that. And now lastly, we need to set up our downsell product. So again, I'm going to go back to our upsell products. So we have our downsell product set up. Again, you would add a new one. Let me click on that. We gave it a price, but now let's worry about our URL options. So again, purchase, skip purchase, and purchase redirect URL, and skip purchase redirect URL. So let's copy our purchase URL. Let's go into our downsell page. So here's the option for them to purchase it, this button. So let's click on the button, click on the hyperlink. Let's add our URL. And now we got to give them the ability to skip it. So let's copy our skip purchase URL. Let's highlight our text, link it, add the link URL, and set that, and we are good to go. So you would save it and then exit the live editor, and now we have our downsell set up. So we just have to say where should they go when they purchase the downsell, and where should they go if they skip it. Well, again, this is going to be the end of our sales funnel, but you can have as many steps as you want with the upsell plugin. But since this is the end of our sales funnel, it's going to be the same thing if they purchase it or if they skip it. We're going to end them to the order summary. So let me just go into our pages real quick. Let me open up our order summary, copy the URL, and then we just paste it into the redirect and the skip purchase redirect. That's it, update it, and now we have our sales funnel in place. So we created our pages by importing them using Optimizepress, created our products, and added the hyperlinks to the correct buttons, and we are all set. And let me just quickly show you, I didn't show you the order bump. Let me just real quickly go back to that. So you would go to your products, you would create your order bump product, add new if you needed to. So with the order bump, you're really just worrying about the pricing. And then what you would do is you then go back into the main product that you're selling where you want to present the order bump. If I go back into that product, you here on the left hand side have the order bump tab. So that's where you would enable it. If you enable order bump when somebody's purchasing this product and they're presented at the checkout page, they would be shown this order bump. So you have all the options, an image, can they check off, should the checkbox be checked by default, yes or no, the text next to the checkbox, the headline text, the actual description, and then you can change all the colors and the borders and stuff like that. So that's how you would present the order bump on the checkout page. So that's really it. That's all you need to do to set up a sales funnel inside of your Optimizepress pages and website to get rid of ClickFunnels and end up saving thousands of dollars, literally, because the Optimizepress landing page is right now, while I'm doing this video, is $79, I believe, for one website, one license. And yep, $79 per year. And then the upsell plugin while I'm shooting this video is $97 for one license. So instead of spending $97 or even $297 a month for life using something like ClickFunnels, you now can simply pay $97 and $79 per year one time and have sales funnels using Optimizepress and the upsell plugin. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully that's gonna help you guys generate some more cash, some more sales through your Optimizepress website, sales funnels. And if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks.